Introducing Flowcoe, a new way of labelling the tiniest particles of life. Exosomes are nano-sized vesicles that all cells produce, both healthy and disease. They are tiny packages containing genetic material and proteins that are required for cell-to-cell communication or cell reprogramming. They are emerging as tools for early and minimally invasive disease diagnosis and for drug delivery and immunotherapy. However, exosome detection is often limited due to the nanometer size of these particles, except through advanced flow cytometry. Yet, the sensitivity of detection is stringently dependent on the quality of the dye used to label the exosomes. Flowcoe introduces a simple and accurate alternative to labeling these tiny vesicles. These dyes are unique in their chemistry compared to current dyes used in flow cytometry. They can also label bacteria, blood, and mammalian cells, and even be used for tracking cell divisions. Flowcoe dyes are brighter, easier, and faster to use. These patented dyes only light up when bound to the sample target and are designed to come in a variety of colours ranging from the ultraviolet to the near-infrared. Flowcoe, let your flow glow.